In the midst of a workplace emergency, communication can be the lifeline that keeps everyone safe. Effective communication during a workplace. Today, we're going to discuss the critical importance of effective communication in emergency situations. Clear and efficient communication is the key to a coordinated response. Let's explore how effective communication can save lives and prevent chaos. And here are the key aspects to keep in mind. Designate an emergency communication coordinator. Establish a chain of command and reporting structure. Use clear and concise language. Provide regular updates and instructions. Practice communication in emergency drills. Effective communication in any emergency ensures that everyone knows what to do, where to go, and how to stay safe. It's about keeping calm and coordinated under pressure. Effective communication during a workplace emergency is not just practice, it's a promise to your employees' safety. Because in your workplace, a clear message can make all the difference.